Morning folks, Cowboy Roy Rogers here. Got to change the alternator belt on the 12.7 liter Detroit in the 2000 Peterbilt 379 and discuss some other things while we're at it, since I don't ever have time to address situations to inform folks. First, I want to recommend to, hopefully this is, yeah, it's working, to go to my expose playlist, look up what's probably the last video added at the bottom. It's a 5.5 hour audiobook documentary on a book written in 1966 by someone who was directly part of and writing about the individuals who have taken themselves as unelected leadership since 1913, therefore having control of these United States of America for obviously well over 100 years. Those individuals were leading the ones who set up the Federal Reserve System of money that does not belong to our federal government, and also are the ones that actually wrote the legislation to set up the Internal Revenue Service.